What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So this is like the large picture of things from December 2021 ish, around COVID. You see, we fell off a cliff and then we reversed around somewhere in October, November of last year. So let's just zoom in on today and just see what's going on with today. Dang, man, we're pumping. This feels like that market before like 2019, 2020, when you could just buy any kind of call and you would make money. That's what it looks like. We really don't have any type of play until something else happens. It shocks me, actually. I was looking at my portfolio the other day, and my account is basically doubled since when I did my April of this year, and now July my account is almost double. Insane. I guess we could talk about that. I can give you guys a list of stocks over time that I really just have faith in and have trust in. Yeah, let's do that today, because I mean, if price moves below this gap, then we could do some stuff. Otherwise, I don't really see much. So before I actually give you stocks, I have to give you brokerages or banks to hold your stock information. Now, many banks do offer this service, but a lot of them do not. So just do your own research and check out what you like, what banks you like, maybe you have history with, such and such, things like that. Number one will be JP Morgan Chase. This is probably the most popular, most easily accessible bank to get to in America. Not really much to say about them. They offer almost literally everything because they pretty much created everything. But yeah, JP Morgan. Number two is another big boy, which can be Charles Schwab. Recently, Charles Schwab has bought TD Bank, and TD Bank was another choice. So TD Bank and Charles Schwab are combining. So that's another great option. Another good option would be Fidelity. I don't have any experience with them, but I haven't heard anything bad about them. The last option I would think would probably be Bank of America. I don't really know much in particular about Bank of America. Don't really have any experience with them, but do your own research on those. I also want to say E-Trade maybe, but I don't really. They do have a brokerage, but I don't think you should. I don't know nothing about E-Trade. I don't think they're actual bank, or they are a bank. I don't know. I don't see them. I don't view them in my head as a bank. Yes, there are other banks I didn't list. There are other large banks that I did not list. There's a reason I did not list them. Just keep it as simple and plain as that. Do your own research if you're interested in those other banks. That's it. Because it's ridiculous at this point. Like, you could probably just place a thing right here. Stocks are starting to get back to that ridiculous point where you could just pick a freaking call and it'll go up. Oh, VIX is coming up. Uh-oh. That may be good for us. The VIX is headed up more. No, this is put. We want this 457 put for 6. We got what we wanted, but I think it's gonna cause a yup, just like that. We need a closure below. Yeah, just like that. We need a closure. If so, we're gonna take this 457 put. I'm looking. I'm waiting on this candle. That's not the direction I want. I'm looking. Price right now is 6667. I need to see that candle just go in the other direction, just like that. Go change color and I'll get it. Change color and I'll get it. Nope. Got it. 6.8. Alexa, 6.8 times 1.1.
6.8 times 1.1, 7.48.
So we need a 7.5.
To respond from the right place. Was this the device you expected?
Yes, thank you, Alexa.
Great. Thank you.
She's so extra, man. Right there, we call it change of character. That's where we got in at, and we're gonna sell at, I believe it's 7.5 for profit Right now, price is at 7. Remember, this is our bid. When you buy a contract, you buy for the X price. When you close it, you sell at the bid price. This is our bid on this side, which is what we sell. This is our buy, our ask on this side, which is what we bought at. Now we got to watch out for price around here, because price is going to reverse and it's going to start heading back the other direction. All right, we looking good. We headed down. Right now, price is at it's at 7. The bid, bid price is at 7. We need 7.5. It's at 7. Remember, as soon as I put the buy in, a sell order automatically goes in. So I just hit 7.5. My price hit. Oh no, that's not it. It hit, but I didn't get the right screenshot. Price definitely hit 7.5 before it touched that. When the candle was pushing down, we won our play. I'd love to just get it again. Let's see if we can get it again just for YouTube. It says 7.1 right now. Yeah, it's fighting me. Why you don't want to act right for YouTube, Mr. Price? Price doesn't want to act right for YouTube. But anyways, I'm learning more and more that those are bad plays to take. How right now we're on a huge bullish trend, and you see these big old bullish candles, huge bullish candles. Just play with the trend, play calls. It's no reason to whatever against that. I guess price is messing with me this time, and hopefully I can actually show that price did get to 7.5. You see these wicks right here forming? Wicks everywhere. That's how you know it's liquidity in here. It's orders in here. So I think price strongly wants to go down a little bit, but it's something here. That's why we're getting all these wicks. Man, come on. I just want to show price hitting 7.5. Right now the bid is at 6.9. It keeps playing with me. If this don't give it to me, 7.4. There we go. Thank you. That's all I wanted. 7.5. Then it go to 7.3 right when I get it. That's insane. Go back. Like, come on. Man, YouTube, y'all just gonna have to trust me. Whatever. If you have any questions, leave it at the bottom. Leave in the comments at the bottom. Hit the like button. Till next video. I promise it touched 7.5.